objectivity and accuracy of language use. For the limitation of the problem is this study is limited to two main variables, namely essay writing ability and translation accuracy. Formulation of the problem: is there a significant correlation between students' essay rating and translation accuracy? Research objective: to know the correlation between students' essay rating and translation accuracy. Benefits for lectures: provide important information that essay writing practice can improve students' translation accuracy. For students, making students realize that writing is not just a writing task but can also improve their translation skill. For the research, the study can serve as an initial reference for further research on the correlation between our language skills. Next is literature review. Student translation accuracy. According to Catford, as cited in Muhammad Api 2018, translation is replacement of textual material in one language or source language by equivalent textual material in another language. The second is essay writing ability. One of the most important skills for learners of English is writing. This is due to the fact that writing is a way of communication where feelings are communicated or expressed through writing. That's Anna 2001. For the first research, the first research is conducted by Angelita 2024 and titled Students' Translation Ability and the Writing Ability. A correlational study at Test Islamic University of Sultan Syarif Riau. The purpose of the study is to find out the correlation between students' translation ability and the writing ability in 6th semester students of English Education Study Program at State Islamic University of Sultan Syarif Riau. The last is research methodology. Research design use quantitative correlational design to examine correlation between students' essay writing ability and translation accuracy. For the variable and operational definition of variables, independent variable is essay writing ability and the dependent variable is translation accuracy. Population and sample. Population is the third semester students of English Language Education Study Program of FQUIN in academic year 2024-2025. There are 80 students who are divided into two classes. For the sample is using total sampling technique, all members of the population are sampled. Data collection methods: there are two: essay writing test and translation test. For data analysis method, from what tests were analyzed using descriptive and inferential statistical technique to test the hypothesis, the person-product moment correlational technique was used because the data was interval and normally distributed. The analysis was conducted using statistical software such as SPSS. And the last is location and time. The random conduct the research at FQUIN is located at Jalan Nasution number 130, Simpang 3, Kecamatan Bukit Raya, Kota Pekanbaru, Riau. The research will be held from June until July. Data collected with direct or face-to-face in the first semester of English Education Study Program of FQUIN. Okay, I think that's all for my presentation today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.